Okay, guys, today we'll continue, inshallah, in lesson 4, one-step multiplication equations. Good morning for all. Now, just before we continue, let's remember what we did until now in solving equations. Until now, guys, we took 3 types of one-step equations. The first one is the addition equations, something like x plus 5 equals 17. And we took like subtraction equation, the second type, subtraction equations, something like x minus 5 equals 17. And we took in the previous lesson multiplication equation, the last type, or not the last, the third type, multiplication equations, something like 5x equal 20. Here, addition equation, subtraction equation, multiplication equation. Now, in addition, we said we subtract the connected number in both sides. Like we rewrite the equation x plus 5 equals 17. The connected number plus 5, we subtract 5 in both sides. Then 5 minus 5, 0, still x equals 17 minus 5, 12. So the solution is x equal 12. In subtraction equation, we said we add the connected number in both sides. So we rewrite the equation again, x minus 5 equals 17. This will be plus 5 plus 5. Then minus 5 with the plus 5, they are crossed with each other. Still x equals 17 plus 5 is 22. So the answer here, x equal 22. So in addition, we subtract, and in subtraction, we add. We do the opposite because addition and subtraction are opposite operation for each other. Now in multiplication equation, which we did in the previous lesson, we rewrite the equation 5x equal 20. And here we have multiply, and I wrote here in one multiplication equation, in one step multiplication equation, we divide both sides with the coefficient. The coefficient, which is the number multiplied by the variable, and here in our example is 5. So I will divide both sides by 5. So here I will divide by 5, divide by 5. Now 5 divided by 5, they are crossed. 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Here 5 minus 5 plus 5 minus 5, 0. Gone, still x. But here 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 multiply x is x. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So x equal 4. Now always and forever, if you want to check your answers, always substitute or replace the variable by its value, then check. So here the addition is opposite operation for the subtraction, and the subtraction opposite operation for the addition. Here in the opposite operation for the multiplication is the division. So we divide both sides on the number which is besides the variable. Another example about the multiplication equation, for example, 0.12 equal 0.12 equal 3m. Here I have a number equal a number multiplied by m. So here it's multiplication equation. The first step, rewrite the equation. So 0.12 equals 3m. The coefficient here, it is the number which is multiplied with the variable, which is a 3. So in multiplication equation, we divide both sides with the coefficient. So I will divide both sides using the fraction form. Only 3 both sides. Now I'll start with here. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 multiply m is m. And the equal comes down. 0.12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So here I will say 0.12 divided by 3. Now 0 divided by 3, it cannot be, so 0. Decimal comes up. 1 cannot divide on 3, so it is 0. 0 in quotient. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So the answer is 0.04. Now m equals 0.04, we write it like this, m equals 0.04. So addition equation, subtraction equation, multiplication equation. This is the idea of what we did until now in these equations. Today we'll continue in this lesson and let's do some exercises unless you have any questions. If you have any questions, just put your hands. Yes, Ibrahim.
Mister,
Mm.
can I read the first question?
This one?
No. Read the first question with you.
Which you want to do the first question with me?
Yes.
Hello?
In the
Talk,
book.
Yabni. Talk, Yabni, talk. What you want?
What, Mister?
Tell me what you want.
Mister, to write the question two. To write question two.
You want to do question two?
Yes.
Yeah. We did example one, Ibrahim. We did
Yes.
example one before and the check, or no?
Yes, we do it.
Example one and the check, we do it, right? We did it. Right. Let's do
Right.
example two, guys. Example two, page, I think 362. Let me check first. Example
Yes,
two.
yes, I see it.
362. يلا read Ibrahim.
Solve
Read Ibrahim.
2x. Solve 2x equals to 10. Check your
2x
solution.
equal 10. This is our equation. We will solve it and we will check our solution. يلا Ibrahim. Solve. How we
First, we
solve
will,
this equation?
first we will write it again.
2x equals 10. Then
We will take the 2 and divide it with 10. And it equals to 5.
say it again, Ibni, as we did it here. Yalla, say it again.
We will do 2 divided by 10.
2 divided by 10, like this.
Equals, no, 10 divided by 2, sorry.
طب, how about this side? شو أعمل فيه?
We will leave it.
So I will divide by 2 here. And we
Yes.
leave this, right?
Right. We will do
No,
it
this is
cross.
wrong. This is wrong,
How?
Ibni. This is wrong. Look here, Ibni. We divide on the coefficient both sides. Both sides. Don't forget these two words. Both sides. Don't forget these two words. Don't forget them. In each type. Both sides, both sides, both sides. Always. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Again, we rewrite the equation. Then
Yes. Then we will do divided by 2 with both sides.
divided by 2 in both sides. This is the correct step. Divided by 2 in both sides, like this. Okay?
Yes.
Now we cross the 2's. Still what here? X
equal and 2 divided by 10 equals to 5. So
this
x
is
equals
not.
to 5.
ركز انت بتحكي غلط. This is not 2
10
divided by
divided
10. الله يسعدك. ما احنا افهم علي. هذه ما اسمها 2 divided by 10. 2 divided by 10, it's not like 10 divided by 2. They are different. They are different. This is equal 1 over 5, which is 0.2. And this is equal to. There are big difference between them. Okay? So focus. Allah يسعدك. This is what we read. How we read this, Yabni?
10 divided by 2 equals to 5.
10 divided by 2 is 5. Focus. It's easy.
Okay.
Now, how we check our solution, ya Ibrahim?
We will do it another time, but
how we check our solution? Tell me.
We will do the question another time, Then
What
we
you
will
mean by,
do.
يعني I will repeat this, I will repeat the
No, no,
question
no,
another
no,
time.
no, no,
Oh,
no.
well,
Only 2x equals to 10.
so what I will do, tell me.
Then we will do 2 multiplied by 5, and it will be equals to 10. So 10 equals to 10.
What you need to say is to check our solution, replace x by the value which you found. Okay? Just manage
Okay.
what you're saying. Okay?
Okay.
So this is example 2, guys. X equal 5. As Ibrahim said, 2 multiply 5 is 10. So my answer here is correct. Got it, Yabni?
Got it.
Good boy. Thank you. This is example 2, guys. Now we'll do check under example 2. We'll do it together. Check under example 2
Mr.
or after
I
example.
do it.
لا يا ابني ما في غيرك. Thank you.
Okay, بس كان اسالك عشان اسوي ميوت.
Check under example 2, guys. عبد الستار.
Yes, mister.
Read.
Solve 84 equals 7k.
80 what?
84.
84 equals 7k,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. How we do this? Check a question, يا عبد الستار.
We will rewrite the equation first.
يلا, let's rewrite the equation first. 84 equals 7k.
7k.
Then
we will divide by 7 on both sides.
we divide by 7 in both sides. Good.
Then we will find the value.
Then what I will do here? Tell me what I will do here.
7 and 7, they are gone.
7 divided by 7 is 1. 1 multiply k is k. And equal comes down. Now
84 divided by 7 equals 2. I don't know.
12. Okay? K equal 12. We write it like this. K equal 12. This is the solution. Now, how we check our answer, ya Abdul Sattar?
We replace the variable by our value.
Which is 12. So here, I'll replace the K by 12 with multiply. 7 multiply 12 is 84. This is the check, guys. Copy it, please. This is the check. Copy it, please. Okay, now we'll move to example 3 together. Example 3. Example 3 with عمر كوشك. عمر, يلا يا عمر.
Hello, mister. 2 over 3.
2 over 3
multiplied by m equals 5 over 8.
5 over 8. 2 over 3m equals 5 over 8. This is our equation with the fractions. And when we say fractions, guys, we did addition, subtraction, multiplying, dividing. We did everything with the fractions before. So it should be no problems here. Yalla, Omar, what we will do?
Let's rewrite the equation.
Let's rewrite the equation. 2 over 3m equals 5 over 8. Then
We will put 2 over 3 under it, 2 over 3.
we will
divide it on both sides.
divide by
On both
2
sides.
over 3 in both sides. Okay, so here I will divide in 2 over 3 in both sides like this. As I deal with numbers, with integers, I will deal with the fractions, the same idea. Now what I will do, ya Umar?
2 over 3 and 2 over 3, they are gone.
They are gone. It's 1 multiply m equal.
M
and
equals. We can divide it normally, so we will go beside
Here.
it and we will make it.
Here I will take 5 over 8 divided by 2 over 3. Write it here. 5 over 8 divided by 2 over 3 normally. Okay? Now,
Okay.
how we divide the fractions, yeah, Omar?
We need to. We will flip 3 over 2 and we will make it multiply. 5 over 8 multiply 3 over 2.
Good. So the first fraction stays the same. The division becomes multiply, and here we
Flip it.
flip. We did that before. Now, 5
Yes.
multiply 3 is
15
15
over
over.
16.
Now, this fraction is in simplest form and up less than down. So this is our answer. So the answer of m is 15 over 15 over 16. This is example 3. Example 3, how we deal with fractions. Now this step, don't do this step here with the equation. Do it by side. It's calculations. This is example 3. Hope you understand it. Thank you, Omar. Let's do the check. After example 3, we have check. Yazid. Yazid. Sultan.
Yes.
Yalla Sultan. Do the check under example 3.
What, Mister?
نعم يا مستر. Do the check after example 3. صح.
طيب مستر بسم الله.
اخلص.
Okay, wait.
Wait, where have you been يا ابني؟ انت ايش كنت تعمل؟
Nothing.
Nothing? Did you open your book with us?
Yeah.
So what you are searching for now?
Example 3.
Huh?
I was in example 2.
You was an example. What you are doing in example 2? We did example 2. We did the check. We did example 3. What you are doing in example 2?
I was solving the check.
مستر صح. يلا check after example 3 بسرعة.
Solve 4 over 5k equal 1 over 3 for
4 over 5k equals what?
1 over 3k. 1 over 3
ركز يا
over
ابني.
3.
4 over 5k equal what?
1 over 3
ها هيك
4K 4K
4K like this.
Yeah.
طيب. By the way, when you see guys solve equation for the variable, means they want you to find the value of the variable. This is the meaning of this word 4K. Like for M, I need to find the value of M. Now tell me here, how to solve the equation, ya Sultan?
Okay, I make a line under 4/5 and 1/3.
No, we don't do that.
We write under them 4/5.
No, we don't do that. Yeah, what's the first step? We did that here, and here, and here, and here, and here, and here, and here. 7, I will count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times we said it. What's the first step, يبني?
Division property of
Don't read it from the book, يا سلطان. أنا فاهم الدنيا. What's the first step? Tell me.
we write 4/5 under the numbers.
لا مش not this is the first step. No, it is not. هذا دليل انك يعني مركز كثير معي.
What should we do?
بحكوا لك ليش بتعصب.
Yes, mister.
What's the first step يا نجم?
We will rewrite it.
Rewrite the equation again. سامع يا سلطان?
Yes.
How many times we said that?
Many times.
Sultan, what's the first step?
We rewrite the numbers.
يلا صح. 4/5K equals 1/3. Then
We write the numbers under it.
مستر علي صوتك واحكي
We
بوضوح.
write 4/5 under.
What do you mean by 4/5 under? يعني what you mean by under?
Under 4/5 we
What's
write.
this mean يا ابني? What's this mean?
And we write 4/5 under the numbers.
4/5 under the number. I don't get يعني I don't understand anything from 4/5 under the number.
4/5 under 1/3.
What we call it يا ابني? What we call it? What we say? What's the sentence? What's the important thing we need to say here?
It's division property.
يا ابني do not read it from the book. الله يسعدك. لا تقرأ من الكتاب. خلك معي هنا. What's the step now? What we need to do? What we call it? How we say it? We say it here, and here, and here, and here, and here. I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So 5 times we say it. So what we do now? Tell me. طب listen يا سلطان. Listen. خليك معي. Mr. عصام.
Yes, mister.
What we do now? Tell me.
We will divide 4/5 by 4/5, and we will
أيوة.
we will divide 1/3 divided by 4/5.
So we divide 4/5 in what?
4/5 in what?
لا إله إلا الله.
Divide.
Rakam.
Yeah, mister.
What we do now?
Now we will divide 4/5 by itself. It will be gone.
استغفر الله العظيم. عمرو.
Mister, 4/5 will be in both sides.
Both sides. How many times we said that? Well, both sides. Don't forget this word. هلا قبل شوي حكيتها. هلا من شوي. Sultan. Sultan. No, don't go. Come back. Where are you?
Here.
Yalla, Sultan. What we say, Sultan? Tell me.
We write 4 over 5 on both sides.
We divide by 4 over 5 in both sides. It's easy. Easy. Yalla, divide by 4 over 5 in both sides. Then
Then we divide them, and 4 over 4 divided by 4 over 4.
how much 4 over 5 divided by 4 over 5? How much?
Equal 1 and 2 or 2.5.
ركز روق اهدى شوي. Now 4 over 5 divided by 4 over 5. How much?
1 over 1 and
يبني a number divided by itself. How much?
1.
1. What 1 و4 and متردد مالك؟ A number divided by itself. It is 1. 1K. 1K. How much 1K is? K. So they are gone. Is this difficult?
No.
طب مالك؟ Equal. Here. What we'll do here?
Divide 1 over 3 divided by 4 over 5.
ماشي. What we will do? يلا tell me. How we find the answer here?
First thing we write them in جنبها.
تمام. I 1 over 3 divided by 4 over 5. Then
we divide 1 and 4
أيوة.
and divide 3 and 5.
We divide 1 divided by 4 and the 3 divided by 5. هيك.
No. Remember, we need to write 3. We need the down numbers to be the same.
Copy, guys. Copy. Thank you, Sultan. Thank you. Copy. Go to the practice page, guys. Go to the practice page. The page of the homework for today. Go there. It is on page 367. 367. Now we have 4 questions. We need first to prepare the equations, then we solve it in these 4 questions. So I will help you in preparing these equations, and at your home, you'll just continue in solving it. So question 1, Maribel and some friends went to an adventure park. The total cost of their tickets was $374. The total cost always be after the equal, $375. Okay? Now, the total cost of their tickets, 374, and each person paid 46.75. The question wants us to know how many friends altogether, number of the friends. So I will let F, for example, be the number of the friends, 74, not 75. I'll let F be the number of the friends, okay? And each one of the friend will pay how much? 46.75. 46 46.75. So the equation of the question 1, 46.75F equal 374. What you will do in your home, you will solve it. Okay, this is equation 1. Equation 2. It takes Samuel 1/5 hour to walk a mile yesterday. So in 1 mile, it takes Samuel to 1/5 hour in 1 mile. Samuel walked for 1.5 hours. So the total of the time Samuel used 1.5 hours. Okay. Now around the lake, write a multiplication that can be used to find the number of miles Samuel walked. Number of miles. Each one mile took Samuel 1/5. So I will let M to be the number of miles. So my equation is half or 1/5 multiply M equals 1.5. This is the equation of question 2. What you need to do is to solve it. Now question 3, the distance around the lake is 2.5 miles. 2.5 miles. On Saturday, Doug biked a total of 18.2 miles. The total will be after the equal, 18.2 miles. This is the total. Now, write a multiplication equation that can be used to find how many times Doug biked around the lake. Each one time, it took 2.6 miles. How many times? We don't know. So 2.6 multiply T, and the T is the number of the times that he turned around the lake. This is the equation, 2.6 T equal 18.2. What you will do in your home, you will solve it. And the last one, an express delivery company charges 3.25 per pound. Each 1 pound, 3.25. Georgia paid 9.75 to mail a package. So the total money for this package is 9.75. So here the total after the equal, as we said in the previous lesson. Each 1 pound costs 3.25. 3.25. The question wants us to know how many pounds. How many pounds? So here P. P is how many pounds. Now what you will do in your home, you need to solve this equation. These are the 4 equations which are wanted from you in the homework, and you need to solve them each. And down here, you have normal equations, you need to finish them. So here you will do question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. At 2 p.m., don't forget your online assignment. Don't forget that. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, you can put your hand. If you don't, remove your hands, please. Any questions before I log out? Yusuf, Urakan.
Yes, mister.
Yes, Yusuf.
In page 364, I did not understand the check.
Which check, Ibni?
In
This
page,
one?
yeah, this one.
Divide on 4/5 both sides. Did you understand the example?
Yeah, but I don't mean like that.
You don't what?
I don't mean like that. I meant that I don't understand like if solve 4/5k equal 1/3 for k. So does that mean that k equals 1/3 or what? I don't understand.
No, mister.
Hello,
4K.
hello.
4K. This 4K means you need to solve this equation and find the value of K only.
Okay.
You will do the same steps. The word 4K means find the value of K. Here they wrote 4M means find the value of M.
Okay, thank you.
Sir,
Rakan,
Mr. My question is, can I write multiply in the homework?
what?
يعني in the example, you make it be for 46.75. I write multiply between them.
Why? Mister, this is the equation. Solve it.
Can
Do you
I
know
write
how we
or
solve
erase it?
equation? Mister, do you
Mister,
know
I
how we
know,
solve
but
equation?
I meant to, yeah.
طب what's your problem? This is
Yeah.
the equation. Solve it. ايش المشكلة؟ ايش المultiply
Can
هل
I write between f and 75
No, don't
multiply?
write here multiply. No, keep it like this. Don't write multiply ever.
Okay.
Else. Thank you. Goodbye.